Hello everyone, it's Joe from OnePageZen.com, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily configure free auto-renewing SSL certificates for the click-to-deploy version of WordPress on Google Cloud. So as you can see here, I've recently deployed a WordPress website on Google Cloud using the click-to-deploy solution. And once we're done with this tutorial, we will be able to have our website load with HTTPS in front so that it will no longer show this not secure notification. So before getting started with this tutorial, you need to have already launched a WordPress click-to-deploy installation and pointed your domain name to that installation. If you haven't done that yet, check the description to this video for links to those tutorials. So once you've done that and you're at this point here, we can get started with this tutorial. So the first step in the tutorial is to head on over to your Google Cloud Platform dashboard, click the navigation menu, and navigate to Compute Engine, then to VM Instances. All right, now here is the VM instance that's running my WordPress click-to-deploy installation, this website here. And I'm going to click the SSH button here to connect to my instance. All right, so now that I've connected to my VM instance, the first thing I'm going to do is check my operating system here. So I'm going to do lsb_release-a. And you can see here, I'm running Debian 9.7 stretch. So knowing this information is important. So after you have found this information, what you're going to do is go to the certbot website. So that's certbot.eff.org. And once you're there, you're going to select your software from this drop-down here. So let's see. I'm using Apache. So typically you're either going to be using Apache or Nginx, but for the click-to-deploy and Bitnami WordPress solutions, those are both using Apache Server. So I'm going to select Apache. And for system, I'm going to select Debian 9 stretch, and that's based on the information from the terminal in the last step. All right, so now we have our installation instructions here. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to install the certbot client. So I'm going to highlight and copy this command here. Copy that. Go back to the terminal here. And I'm going to paste that and press enter. I'm going to press Y and then press enter again. Now it's installing certbot. Okay, so now that certbot is installed, it's time to issue our certificates. All right, so in order to issue our SSL certificates, let's go back to the instructions here. And here under the section titled Get Started, let's copy this command here. And let's see, copy. Let's go back to the terminal. And let's paste that command and press enter. All right, and enter your email address. So I'm just going to use example@gmail.com, but you should use your real email address because they'll send important notifications to this email. Press enter. I'm going to do A for agree, and then press enter. And here you can do either Y or N. I'm going to choose N. And here I'm going to enter my domain name. So the domain name that I'm configuring is OnePageZen.com, as you can see here. So let's go back to here. All right, so it's OnePageZen.com. and then I'm going to add a space, and then I'm going to add the www version of my domain, www.onepagezen.com, and I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to select number 2, press enter. And now it's asking me if I want to configure a redirect to route all of the traffic to HTTPS, which we do want. So I'm going to select 2 and press enter. Perfect. And now the certificates were issued successfully. So I'm going to restart my Apache server. All right, now I'm going to go back to my WordPress website here, and I'm going to reload the page. All right, perfect. So now we can see that our site is loading successfully with HTTPS. Now I bet you're wondering, what if you want www dot in front of your domain? So to do this, it's real simple. Let's just go to our WordPress dashboard here, go to settings. And here in your WordPress address field here, you can add www dot, and then in the field below, add www dot. All right, so now that we've added those, click on Save Changes. All right, and sign in again. Go back to your home page, and there you go. Now your website is loading with www dot in front. So this makes it easy to choose whether or not you want the www dot version of your domain or just the root domain to display when your website is loaded. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check out onepagezen.com for more great cloud computing tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching.